How to transfer TikTok account to another email or change email in TikTok account. I'm going to show you how to change the email associated with your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to go to Settings and Privacy. From there, select Manage Account. Now, under the account control, tap on Email. You'll see your current email address listed here. To change it, tap Change Email. TikTok will send a verification code next to your current email address. Check your email for the code, enter it in the app, and tap Next. After verifying your current email, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you want to use and tap Send Code. TikTok will send another verification code to your new email. Check your new email for the code, enter it in the app, and tap Confirm. Your TikTok account will now be linked to the new email address.